Now, Wike, you know, say Wike don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not doing anything about you know what I do here. I'm not doing anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba, 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 yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey.
M.O.P. Laughing Star.
Oh yeah, let me hear you say, whoa yo, oh. All the guys say KennyBlaq. Take my wife. Sorry, but not you, those guys over there. So that was a mistake. I didn't know that was going to happen. Okay, make a fish dance small. When I don't say I be shy boy, I'm not gonna leave up to follow my talk. But my brother M.O.P. tell me say KennyBlaq, oh. He said if you love somebody, walk up to him and tell him you love him. I say why? He say no crime, no. Aha, see, so one day I see this baby for M.O.P. party. I swear, she dey look me and they look am. She dey look me and they look am. So I walked up to her myself. I say, fine girl, I just want to dance with you, babe. Oh, mama, no, babe, okay. If your boyfriend come in my mirror, anything you want to ask, better see. Even if it's the girl say KennyBlaq come off for yeah. I say why? She say KennyBlaq you. I'm feeling vibes, some vibes. I blow your dynamite. She say Kenny, you know fit kill my vibe. She say you KennyBlaq, I know your type. I say what? She said boys are bad, jokes apart. Oh my God, they want to knock I'm tight. I say I'm not like M.O.P. and the rest. I'm a different kind of boy. She say you. I say now me bidi dum go and me o do well like that oh. I no get money now but do back follow because hey na. She said I have a boyfriend. I say you over them all. If they want from go liar, happy David for life. See, Oluwa dey my side. And when they come, I swear, them go feel it. Them go run it down. He said, KennyBlaq, are you come to our house in Orchid? I say me, Orchid. I'm on a village. Them know they see me. I'm on. He said, KennyBlaq, how many powers do you have? I'm not Odumeje, but I get Desperado, Lambo, Balotelli. I get plenty things. So right now I am single because I am looking for someone to satisfy me. Looking for someone to love me completely. Looking for someone to show me true. Single ladies, if you are here, make some noise, oh. Wave at me, wave at me, wave at me. I don't see why. What God can I do? Fine girl, what is your name, oh? What is your name? Well, yeah, you. Amarachi. Amarachi KennyBlaq, 2025. Amarachi, what do you want for Easter? What should I buy for you? Lambo. Eba mi kibele. Ole. Eba mi even me ati the Dabra 4. Lambo. And now carry me come. Amarachi thunder fire. You know go bed. DJ bring it down. How you guys doing, Lagos? Make some noise. You know even they fear. Lambo go, La money. Wow, it's good to be here to support M.O.P. M.O.P. is my brother from way back, and I'm happy to see him do this. Amarachi Lambo. I just the name Amarachi, not be Sophia. Lambo. Do you even have a land? Lambo. Sophia, no catch up. I know that's not what agility they talk. Lambo. See, that is not the trainer. Everybody don't use and talk. If Bona can't draw freestyle. Now, if you say that freestyle makes sense. No, we won't talk to that freestyle makes sense. They don't rate me for this industry. Maybe they come make a right freestyle for them. Imagine if Bona just call Odumodu. Say Alpha, say blah, native. Say, what's it, say black fella, the native. Say Odogu, and the guy, I don't know how they talk, whether the thing they work with his face, just watch my face. Odogu, that guy, fuck up. That guy, fuck up. More let that guy know. Imagine if Bonner Boy Odumu enter studio, drop that song. He go enter number 1. I don't really sabi sing like Bonner, but I try small. More try. All in favor, say hi. The song will come be Lambo for Lamba. Or Lamba for Lambo. DJ, drop on. So if I stand here, I'll be Bonner, but if I stand here, I'll be Dumeji. Volume. That guy didn't enter my head.
My nickname is Papi.
They call me Bonner. Black fella, native. Bonner, but we just start. See? This girl for long I've been chasing. Finally she gracing me quickly. Down night the team be like film trick. Bonner boy. Ah baby ah cow. She say make a buy am cow. Ah baby ah cow. Yeah. She say before we collabo, I go pay for a Lambo. Amy, your ego. I tell her, me she no worry, brother. Surely collabora Lambo, Lamba for Lambo, only king collabora Lambo, Lamba for Lambo. Surely collabora Lambo, Lamba for Lambo, collabora Lambo. She say if you no be Lamborghini, she no dey gree. For tatata we no sweet. Big Kala industry machine. As you dey drive the daddy, I say make she come over. I come over, she come over, all over. She say big Kala, we make her. Allegedly this is all over. Surely, who's your big Kala? Yeah, yeah, Davi. Very good. This is our work. We have to keep to date. My pastor must not see that joke. Experience is gone. Because this country don't ready. Country where they're supposed to share. This country is really laughing talk. Because country where they're supposed to share map for different country. They share for only Nigeria. Only we country we get very dark man, Portable, Bobrisky, Odumeji. Inside one country, all of us want to wear. Only for this country, basically go carry the English set up the shout don't play. Are you going to learn? You're going to learn the hard way. This same country, we not do Mother's Day last year because Mommy of Lagos go jail. Everybody, now another person with the craze for this country. Now, if you come this show now, tell M.O.P, I want to talk to your head. Inside my head. That won't go. Another crazy guy for this country. Now DJ Chicken. If that guy come here now, he no go sing one place. We can't get one pastor where they follow them Chris. Odumeji. If that one come here, hey boy, I'm the lioness chef. Who you are you from? You call your hey boy. I'm not a comedian. Where I like that when he speak one English, can't correct himself. For example now, I'm not a comedian. Hey, comedians quoi? Hey, comedians. Le plan la mande is power. Le faire séparer is power. I'm in the Boski. All of us don't join court, we don't know. The craziest of them on a Portable. Like if you come this one now, look at M.O.P. You there? The guy there. Guy me come from Sango. Man come and you give me 2 minutes. Oh, this guy here. I will say Portable with their big brother. Now that the big brother will come outside. You go here. Portable. Il est gelé. Report to the diary. Yeah. Portable na going to police come arrest the sick. They say bring him to the station. He said you don't arrest me. For Sango. You know what I mean? But they could get 15 albums. You don't remember lyrics. If you come here now, you go, yeah, M.O.P. baby, it is singer. I don't know what I do. You go collect besides. Who go help? And I can use everything they trend. Last week, they put them as wanted. He talk again. I'm not a criminal. I wanted. Brother, everybody went there know my story as a comedian. I went from grass to grace. People pray for me. But I know Ejibo. Yes, now my former tenants with that. I used to stay with my parents, but now my parents. And because I get people who pray for me. Tell me, say, KennyBlaq, if you keep doing what you are doing, people will call you. People like AY pray for me. I know they say amen to every prayer. When I saw my landlord pray for my cousin, say you are going places. Till today, we don't know where the guy did. The guy just walk up and down. I say, where you did? He say, I did places, but no get address. But when they pray for me, somebody pray for me, say, KennyBlaq, president will call you. Ha! I say, amen. I've been opportune to speak to 2 presidents. The only president I never follow talk. Now Donald Trump, because I know the year which they talk. I'm gonna make America great again. When I make America great again, Joe Biden is not gonna win. Say, well, we know, we know that everybody in Nigerians are coming home. Yes, they are coming home, they're coming home. But when you pray for me, say, President will call you very, very distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, 2019, Buhari flashed me, I call him back. I didn't fear you. When I go hear his voice, that man has the calmest voice. I just hear, hold on for the president. Hey, how are you? When did I speak? I said, what am I going to do? He said, what we can call me Boo-Boo. I caught the call. I do the event. 2 days ago, Tinubu called me. Chakaban. That man's voice sexy. As I hear, hold on for the president, I just hear, as I crash this joke, I see prison. So I see the video everybody. I don't think go jail, go a day, and they come, I said, who is this? He said, what do I do when I'm ready to make a comedy? I said, thank you, sir. He said, KennyBlaq, when you do a town hall. Different from. All of us don't die like this. As music, they trend around the world now. Now, you know, say Wizkid don't close to Tinubu, and we just say, Your Excellency, Your Excellency. I'm not telling you about how you know that do here. I'm not telling you anything here. Your Excellency, look up on the there is the music. How do these people know me? It is because of my music. My music. Your Excellency, if you want to win this next election, you have to do music. Look at me. I have a band. Yendeba. Even if people know my song, let me try it. As we dey sweet us, eat it. As we dey. So, Your Excellency, you have to drop a music. Tinubu Wike Pres. I don't know how to do it. I've never sung a song before. So how am I going to sing it? So, Your Excellency, I will arrange my band. My band and you will compose the song. Eventually in River State. When we get there, we will shock them. I will be the MC. Our next election, we just see Wike will just come. Everybody, settle down. You are shaking your head. You think I'm going to shaking your head. I'm shaking your head. You think I'm going to look at that. I'm bringing on stage our president. But I bet you know. Boom. You can call him Jaga. Band, music. Just come. Follow. We are paid for it. Back up.
Jagabon, they call me Jagabon one day. Jagabon, they call me Jagabon one day.
He go come give his speech.
We are getting here in M.O.P show because you are going to jail with me in a town hall different from
follow through. My administration is going to make everybody here give a subtraction and not an information. Two, not just
let the poor breathe.
don't suffocate them.
Let the poor breathe.
We have responsibility.
Let the poor breathe.
People asking what I will do when I get back to office. I'm delighted to tell you, I'm a big one. First day in office.
First week in office.
Yes.
Hit the ground running.
Second week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Third week in office.
Hit the ground running.
Enjoy your weekend. Ladies and gentlemen, wow, that's my time. I hope you guys.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. M.O.P. Laughing Stock.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.